Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by organizing your sample values in a single Excel column and naming the header so functions ignore it. Next, enter the population mean and the known population standard deviation in separate cells. This is critical because z-test requires sigma known. Once done, set your significance level alpha and decide one-tailed versus two-tailed. This affects the critical z-value and the p-value interpretation. Make sure to note sample size n from the list. You will use it in the test statistic. You now calculate the sample mean with average and get n with count. Then compute the standard error using equals sigma cell slash sqrt, n cell, and put it in its own cell so you can audit the math. Next, enter the z formula, equals mean cell mu 0 cell slash c cell. This yields the test statistic. Because Excel evaluates exactly, you can trace each reference cell. The sign of Z tells you whether the sample mean is above or below the hypothesized mean, which is why direction matters. You convert Z to a p-value with norm. S. Dist Z cell true. If you chose a two-tailed test, double the smaller tail probability. If one-tailed, use the appropriate tail directly. Then compare p to alpha cell and decide to reject or not reject the null. For clarity, include the critical Z from norm. S. Inv 1 alpha slash 2 for two-tailed checks. Troubleshooting tip. If P is unexpected, check that sigma is population SD, not sample SD, and ensure count used N without header or blanks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.